Morning gang.
Morning crew.
How
We're
we
all
doing?
here.
Yeah.
It's Monday. It's Monday. More energy. Right, so it's back to the weekly vlog, number 7.
Yep.
Josh is in charge all this week.
I
He's
am.
doing the whole timber frame roof. He's teaching me how to do it all. What are we doing then, mate?
Well, we've got the timber frame up, haven't we?
Finishing off the roof?
Yeah, just finishing off.
Finish off the roof. Felt
guttering
pattern.
up.
Yeah, lead.
Lead, yeah.
Velux, bish bosh bash, finish off the exterior wall, get ready for render board, and that is this
And
week.
look good while we do it.
You might.
Yeah, I do.
I'm 32 now, mate, so I'm beyond.
Beyond hope.
Right, let's crack on and we'll see you soon.
Wait,
Don't forget.
Before you go, do you want to just check that mug out? Yeah, Tottenham 91.
If you want to check a mug out, just step back. There you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy. First bolt he's ever done, and he leaves the socket in place. How's it feel, mate?
Stop being a dick and just get it out. Josh is back. This is the side today. They're clean, aren't they?
Hey!
Yeah.
So we're just
Here we go, remember.
just drilling the holes through on the doubles to put our bolts through. The bolts just basically connect the 2 doubles up together. You do that around the perimeter of the Velux window, and then the bolts basically reinforce the timbers, give it the extra strength and rigidity in the roof. So this is what we have at the minute. We're just putting in the bolts, the washers and the nuts on the double joists, the rafters even, and then we have double hangered. We've got to finish off the single hangers, and then we can get ready to cut the chasing in for the lead, which is going right under the window, and then we've got to do down the side as well. We put the eave support tray on ready to go. Hopefully we can get it fat and battened today, try and get the window in as well. We're joining into this roof here, and that's pretty much it from up here. Right, it's Wednesday morning, and as per usual, it's raining on and off, isn't it, mate?
Yep, freezing today.
So, this is where we're at. We whacked up these a minute ago. Just gonna cut around the opening now, where the window's got to be. And we just got to finish off the bolts there, so we've got to take them off, just cut around the window opening. Felt and batten that, and then we're gonna put some cement board on there ready for rendering to match existing. Can we sit from back here? Ah, you're fucking tall enough. Well, we found back on the roof anyway. All we've got to do is done a couple of the chases for the lead. We've just got to do one more down the slope to get the soakers down, and that's pretty much it for today, I think. Just this weather, it's horrendous, and then tomorrow they're going a storm of 90-mile-per-hour winds. So tomorrow there probably won't be a timber frame here. We're going to crack on because make the most of when it stops raining. Come on, Ramsey.
You boys get treated well at the farmhouse, mate.
What are you cooking, Mush?
The bacon and
A la carte.
bacon egg muffins.
A la bacon.
A la bacon. A la
A la egg.
eggnog.
Legend. Sort us out, egg and bacon baps, big baps, because it's fucking raining. I'll show you one thing quickly. Can you see anyone else here? No. Just me working as per usual. They are shocking.
God, I'm fucking massive, ain't I? Jesus Christ.
You got problems, you mate?
Huh?
You got problems, you?
You got balls.
So we're on Thursday. The weather is absolutely horrendous. A lovely little storm, pissing down, great. So we've been down to pick up my van this morning. That was just at the garage. We've also been to SAS to pick up some render board, rendering, some pro rend. And then we're going back to Josh's now to crack on. Internally, we're going to get on with some installations, bits like that, because the weather's absolutely horrendous. You can hear it. Looking forward to it, so I'll see you at Josh's house. Very windy. Okay, going around everywhere here.
The excitement when Josh's house vlog goes up.
Oh yeah!
Say morning, Tone.
Morning! Oh yeah?
What day are we today? Thursday?
Thursday.
We are wet and wild outside.
Wet and wild.
Meow.
In my head, I don't copy.
Everybody sing. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah! He practices that every night, he does, in his bedroom. Happy Friday, everyone. So, we are back at the Clark project. Here it is so far. Flat and batten's done. Just got to do the lead soakers and the rest of the lead up there under the window, etc. We have now got the cement board, which we're going to do today. So we're going to put the cement board over the battens across here, so that's ready for rendering. And then we'll cover it back up again, because obviously yesterday was a massive storm. So I'm going to crack on with that today. Monday, Tuesday next week is nice weather. So the plan is hopefully Monday or Tuesday, get this rendered here, and then also finish off our other job. We was going to do that today. All we've got to do is the reveals with some pro rend, but they've got given a potential chance of rain at lunchtime. And if it rains, it runs down and it stains everywhere, so we're not going to risk that today. So Monday, Tuesday, hopefully, we can get this done. And that job done, rendering, job done, sorted. I think that's it today. I've got all the structural engineer drawings now for inside. So there is, what's there, 1, 2, 3, there's 2 steels going down there, which I'll show you in a minute. There's one massive one going through, and a steel post we've got to do a concrete pad in the floor for and stuff like that. So I'm going to go set that up today, all the materials for that. And that is today, I think. And then actually we are going to Torquay again to another job today, just to finish off the lime plaster wall that we've done. So I'll show you that later. Right, we're just going to crack on, get this first board up. We're going to overhang it because we want to fill in the window a little bit to keep it watertight. So just for now, we're going to mark it up so we know where the window is, screw it all up. Then when the window comes, we can just cut the opening of the window out, bish bosh bash. So here is the cement board. It's so cold, isn't it?
Feel like Ed, Eddie. Yeah.
Right, so we can get these out.
And do you know what I mean? If you make work a chore, it's not enjoyable. If you enjoy work, it's technically not work. You're getting paid to having fun and also producing great projects. If you don't know the difference, this side's a bit coarser, the back of it is a lot smoother. It's coarser to add for, it's like left rough with the little vermiculite balls, polystyrene balls, with the mesh sticking through to add for a key for the render. Basically it says priming it. If it was a tile backer board or something like that, they come smooth, or smoother should I say, and you should have put a primer on before you use it.
So Josh is ill, so we thought we'd leave him a nice little present. He's hoovering up at the minute. We've just put on Tottenham, stand up if you hate Tottenham. He hasn't heard it yet though. Oh, come on then, Danny boy. Right. This is the lime plaster we've got put down. Another job down the road.
Creamy muck.
Very creamy. Got some fibres in it as well. So Dan done a coat on it. When did you do a coat on it? Monday, wasn't it?
Yeah, Monday morning.
Monday done one coat. So we're going to go do another coat now, and then next week we can finish off plastering it. We'll give 4 days in between. Oh, sorry, shit's gone on my eye now. We'll give 4 days in between before we do another coat. So we're just doing that now. See you shortly. But this is the Dan done the other day. So one coat of lime plaster across here. Basically, it's an old brittle wool. Give it a chance to breathe through. We'll do one more coat just to bring it out to suit the his existing skirting board, and then we can plaster over it to match him. That is me done for today, leaving on a nice sunny, dry note. Hope you've all enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Appreciate it. Have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week.